Let me get back to the law of attraction and how you attract positive energies to you. If you're operating in a higher vibratory frequency, then when things come at you, you're going to know how to use them to your advantage. If you're operating in a higher vibratory frequency, when adverse things happen to you, you're going to know how to use it to your advantage, regardless of what it is. Regardless of what it is. All right? So, I said earlier, when I see somebody getting something stolen from them, I know that I'm looking at a thief, and I'm not talking about the one who did the stealing. A while back, there was this guy who was a woke, he was from the quote-unquote woke community, and he ended up defrauding people, or he stole people's money on these real estate deals, all right? And so he stole hundreds of thousands of dollars of people's money because he got them in a real estate deal. Now, I know people are looking at him like, oh, he's a thief and he's a this and that and that. But again, I just see frequencies and energies. That's all I see. And I knew that the people who he got, they had gotten somebody else. I knew that the people who he had gotten somebody else in the past. So here comes this lawyer to the rescue of these people. And I knew when she came on, and I understand this, what she was doing. She was trying to help these people or what have you, but I knew when she came on and she started talking about this one guy in particular. I think he had $50,000 stolen from him by this woke guy from the woke community. So she's trying to, presenting his case in front of the people. She's on her live. And then she presents him. And I knew immediately. Now, she didn't even have to tell me. I had never seen the guy. I didn't know who he was. I didn't know his name. But she didn't have to say it. I knew that he was going to be somebody who did some other dirt. Because I've never seen the righteous forsaken. I know these laws. I've never seen the righteous forsaken. So she goes on. She has that one. And then, I'm sending a message because I'm like, did you check his background? Do you know who he is? At any rate, she comes on and she introduces him. She does another session. She introduces him. Turns out, he was somebody who had been in prison. And why was he in prison? Well, he had embezzled money. Well, I knew this. I didn't even need to see him because I know law. There are no victims. So I'm saying all of that to say this. Yeah, money was stolen from him. And I get it that this guy got a lot of people. But the only way he can get those people is if they were attracted to him. Why would they be attracted to him? Because they did it to somebody else. I get it. It seems harsh. It seems like, but Diva, it shouldn't be everybody. The law of attraction is very real. A criminal is going to attract other criminals. And so let me say this. People think that they can get away with dirt. The law is very real. It's very serious. You cannot hide. If you put out an energy, it shall find you, even if you have to get it in the next lifetime. Some people think, you think somebody because they got away with some kind of sexual misconduct in this life and they passed and, they just get away with it. That's not how it works. They got to get that energy when they come back up in here. And what do they come in here as? A child. They come in here as a baby. Y'all think they innocent. Y'all think, it's an innocent baby. He didn't do nothing to nobody. What does the Bible tell you? And again, the Bible is not the perfect word of God, but it's giving you a whole bunch of clues. Told you, we come in here in sin. Because if you coming back into this dimension right here, you coming in here because there's a lesson you got to learn. There's some energies you put out and you've got to deal with them before you get up out of here. So do some dirt before you get out of here. You're going to get it when you come back. So if there's ingrate out here, somebody who's operating in misconduct, and sexually abusing and assaulting people, what better way to give them a return of that energy than to put them in a vessel with a mother who allows the abuse? The universe is going to return the energy. You cannot escape it. Same way, if you steal something from somebody, you steal money or you embezzle and you think nobody saw you, nobody caught it. It's a victimless crime. I just found this money and okay. Whatever you stole, it will be returned to you many times over, or taken from you many times over. If you stole 10, you're going to get 100 stolen from you. If you stole 1,000, you're going to get 10,000 stolen from you. The law does not miss. So when I see somebody getting an energy, I only see frequencies and energies. And I know exactly what I'm looking at because I know the universe's language.